hour to go to my physical therapy for my shoulder. I've had surgery to repair my rotator cuff on my right arm. So I'm using my non-dominant hand, my left hand, to do everything right now. So I want to show you how I tied my tennis shoes so I could head out for physical therapy. So if you want to see how you can tie tennis shoes or really tie any shoes with just one hand, keep watching, and I appreciate it. So because I only have one hand, I'm using my foot to hold my shoelace down so I can pull tight to get my first knot. Then with my hand, I'm going to make a bunny ear and kind of just hold it in place there. While I try to grab for my other shoelace, wrap it around, and with my middle finger, I'm going to try to shove it through that hole there that was created to make a second loop. Then I'm going to try to pull tight, holding the knot with one finger, pulling tight with the other fingers. You can see that you can slowly, by pulling on each side, you can get the knot eventually tied. At this point, you are going to be going back and forth between the bunny ears, pulling the knot and making it tighter and adjusting your loops and ends where you want them. Don't give up. This can seem like it's taking a long time, but you will eventually get there. But just in case, let's do it again for the other shoe, and so you can really see one more time how to do this. Are you ready? Let's do it. Be careful that those no-show socks don't sneak down on you. They're so wonderful, but they love to fall down. Enough of those sock troubles though. We're here to tie shoes, so let's get back to that. So I'm tightening up my shoe even more than I would have to. So I think the key here, because with one-handed tying, your end up product is going to be a little bit looser because it's hard to really get that tight feel. So if you tighten your laces more than you need to, when it's all said and done, you will have about a perfect tightness to your shoe. Pull on the one side with your shoe to make your knot. I've pulled my loops or my strings tight now. I'm going to make a bunny ear and wrap around, push it through, and the key here is to hold the knot with one finger while pulling on the correct side of the little loop with the other hand. I go back and forth until I can get it tight. You can see that you can just adjust how big your loop is by one hand on the knot, the other hand pulling on the bunny ear, making the knot tight as you pull. Then I'm loosening up all the other laces, and it is perfect. You may have to practice this a few times, but don't give up. I guarantee you will get there. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you found it informational and helpful. If you have any comments, do please leave them in the comment section below. I will read them and I will respond to them. And please like my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And also, if you know of anybody who is going to have a shoulder surgery or any kind of surgery at all, hopefully this channel will be of help to them. So please share my channel, pass it along, and my hope is to encourage you that no matter what it is you're going through, that you can make it and be successful, and I'm cheering for you. So be blessed, and I'll see you in my next video.